Hello, Celia Shohet. I'm the Public Health Lead from Central Bedfordshire. And I talked to you last week about the rising rates of COVID in our area. And they have risen quite significantly since then by about 25%. So last week we had over 100 people test positive. So we know about the simple measures we can take, washing our hands, wearing face coverings and keeping 2 meters from anybody who's not within our household. But this week I wanted to particularly talk to you about self-isolation. So what is self-isolation? It's basically that you need to stay in your house and not leave for the purposes of work or school or shopping or any other circumstance that would bring you into contact with other people. When would you need to self-isolate? Clearly, if you've tested positive for COVID, or if you are a close contact of anybody who's tested positive for COVID, or if you've got symptoms and you are waiting for your test result. How long do you need to self-isolate for? Well, if you've tested positive, it's 10 days from the start of your symptoms, or if you didn't have any symptoms, from the date of your test. If you're a close contact of somebody with COVID, you need to self-isolate for a period of 14 days to ensure that you haven't developed the infection in that time. So I know it's a big ask and self-isolation is not easy, and it will be a particular concern for you if you're worried about your wages or your ability to pay the bills. So if this does apply to you, please visit the council website and search for self-isolation help. There you will find resources and sources of support. So we know it's a big ask, but it's a really important thing to do in terms of reducing the level of infection, the degree to which one person who's positive passes that infection on to others. We need to protect you, your loved ones, reduce the infection in Central Bedfordshire, and also protect the NHS. So thank you to those of you who are already self-isolating, but those of you who have not been able to, please seek support to do that, and please help us to stay safe. Thank you.